Okay, here I'm tackling question number 4. And so we have 216 to the 4 thirds. My suggestion is to pay attention to the 3. And the 3 just says what number times itself 3 times gives me 216. Well, that number is going to be 6, so if you did 6 times 6 times 6, you would actually get 216. So that is what I'm looking for. What I'm essentially saying is that if I have 216 and I rewrite it as 216 to the 1/3 raised to the 4th, if I solve this piece here, I end up getting 6 to the 4th. Okay? And so from here, I guess I had to make one comment here. The reason why this is a legit move right here, to go from 4 thirds all the way to the separation here of these two, is because the power rule allows me with exponents, allows me to separate these, because if I multiply 4 by 1/3, I end up getting back to 4 thirds. So that leaves me now with 6 to the 4th, which just means 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which is 1296. Okay? So my advice, I've said this multiple times in class, but you want to deal with the number of the denominator first. So I did 216 to the 1/3, which is again just a fancy way of saying what number times itself 3 times gives me 216. That number is 6. And if you don't know what the numbers are, just start with 2 and just go 2 times 2 times 2, see if it works. Do 3 times 3 times 3, see if it works. And just keep running through. And chances are they're not going to be it's not going to be a number bigger than like 6 or 7 or so. So if you're not certain, just keep trying numbers until you get it to work. It's not going to be a very big number. Okay? Once we solved that, we got 216. We knew it was 6. Then I deal with the numerator, which was 4, and that is just saying 6 to the 4th just means what number times itself. 6 times itself 4 times gives me what? And in this case, it's going to give us 1296, and there's our answer.